has moved in. Trance has been stalled. They are all in. Starters orders, and off they go for the Forbes Breeders Juvenile Fillies Championship Grade 3, off to a even dispatch from the gates. Seductress in the centre, just showing out from Circle of Life. On the inside rails is Indian Touch, Starry Eyes on the outside, Fortune Favors. Then comes Trance, Southern Sky, Janice J and Adams Prince in that order as they go past the 1400 meters. And as they come to cross the 1200 meter marker, Seductress the leader from on the outside, Circle of Life. On the inside is Indian Touch, then comes Starry Eyes, Fortune Favors. Trance is on the inside rail, then there is Southern Sky followed by Janice J, and about 3 lengths away there's Adam Spirit as they go past the 1000 meter marker. Seductress still calling the tune, ahead by about length and a half to 2 from Circle of Life. Indian Touch is in third as they go past the 8. Starry Eyes is in fourth place, then comes Trance. Fortune Favors comes in next. A further 2 lengths away there is Janice J. Up on the outside of Janice J is Southern Sky, a further 3 lengths away. Still in the rear, Adam Spirit as they start negotiating the curve. Round the turn into the straight now. Seductress comes in home first from Circle of Life. On the inside is Indian Sky, then the Indian Touch, then there is Starry Eyes coming up on the outside with a spirited run. Then there is Trance followed by Janice J. On the wide outside there's Fortune Favors and Southern Sky. But as they go into the last 300 meters and it's Starry Eyes gets the better of Circle of Life, then there's Janice J, Indian Touch, then there is Trance followed by Seductress. But as they go into the last 100 meters, Starry Eyes drifting out of the straight course, but ahead by about 3.5 to 4 from Circle of Life and Janice J. Starry Eyes the winner of the Forbes Breeders Juvenile Finish Championship from Janice J and Circle of Life in a close call for the minor placings. Then there is Southern Sky, Trance, Indian Touch, Fortune Favors, Seductress and Adam Spirit as they go past the line.